Salesforce Space Station.
Welcome to the guide of setting up Salesforce Sandbox. So in this video, we'll explore what a sandbox is, the different types available, and I'm going to show a demo on how to set up or configure Sandbox in your Salesforce instance. So let's begin by understanding what a Salesforce Sandbox is. So in the world of Salesforce, a sandbox is a replica of your production environment where you can develop, test, and experiment without impacting your live data. So there are several types of sandboxes to suit different needs. So first we have a developer. This is ideal for individual developers or small teams. It's a copy of your production environment without data. This is mainly used for coding and customization. Next is the developer pro. This is larger than the developer sandbox and includes some data, making it suitable for more extensive development and testing. We also have partial sandbox. This offers a more realistic environment by including a subset of your production data. It is ideal for testing complex configurations and integrations. And finally, there's the full sandbox, which is an exact replica or copy of your production environment, including all data. So this is perfect for comprehensive testing, performance tuning, and training. Now that we understand the types of sandboxes, I'm going to show you the setup or how to configure Sandbox in your Salesforce instance. So first, you need to log in, of course, and then go to Setup. And then from Setup, you just have to search for Sandbox in the quick find. So Sandbox should be under Environments. So in this page, you will see all available licenses and sandboxes that has been created. So just click on the new sandbox button, put a name, and make sure that you create a copy from production. Then you have to select which license to be used. So in this case, we'll be using developer. So just click on the next button. So if there's no Apex class needed to be added, just leave it blank and click on create. So it's going to be in queue. So to be able to check the status, just go in the setup again. So the creation of the sandbox depends on the amount of data that you need to copy from production. So there you have it. That's how you create a sandbox copy from production. So in summary, sandbox is good for testing, making changes in a non-production environment, reducing the risk of errors in your live data. So this is excellent for training new users or onboarding employees as they replicate the real environment. So if you have any questions on setting up the sandbox, just visit help.salesforce.com. Thank you.
Salesforce Space Station.